Hello friends, this is Angelica and the GrantiX channel. If you have created a useful social project and have been working in the online space for some time, through a website, social networks, familiar donation collection services, then most likely you are in the world of Web2. But today, there is more and more talk about a new era, Web3, which uses blockchain, tokens, decentralization, and many more opportunities for interaction with the community. Are you concerned about how to make your social project modern, scalable, and open to new sources of support? Today, I will tell you how a project from the familiar Web2 world can move to Web3, step by step, simply and with specific examples. This transition is already helping hundreds of initiatives around the world, and you too can become part of the new digital reality. Watch until the end to find out how the GrantiX platform can become your guide in this process. The first thing to start with is rethinking your mission. Try to formulate it not only as an intrinsic value of your team, but also as something that can be expressed in a decentralized form. For example, if you support people with disabilities, think about how this can be implemented through smart contracts, decentralized finance, or special support tokens. The next step is to learn the basics of Web3 technologies. This does not mean that you have to become a blockchain developer. It is enough to understand how wallets work, what smart contracts are, why a token is needed, how transactions occur, and what platforms exist. It is important not to rush and find understandable sources. Fortunately, there are many of them on the internet now. The GrantiX platform, for example, allows social entrepreneurs not only to receive funding, but also to integrate into the Web3 environment through ready-made tools, from tokenization to community management, through decentralized mechanisms. After that, it's time to adapt your project to the new technological environment. This could be creating your own token, implementing NFT for volunteers, or a unique digital thank you to donors. Or maybe connecting to a decentralized fundraising platform such as GrantiX. Here, everything is ready for your start. A clear interface, transparent smart contracts, open reporting, and the trust of the community, which is looking for exactly such projects. Now, move on to the community. In the Web2 world, you may have already had subscribers or supporters. Don't abandon them, but explain why you are changing your approach. Create a video or post. Explain how your initiative will now be even more transparent and protected. Emphasize that everything they donate will be verifiable, and each contribution is recorded forever. And finally, think about scaling. Web3 gives a unique opportunity to go beyond your region. Your project can be supported from anywhere in the world. GrantiX helps with this, because its ecosystem unites not only projects, but also investors, experts, and simply caring people who are ready to support social initiatives at a new level. There is only one conclusion. The transition from Web2 to Web3 is not so much a technological as a value transformation. This is the path to openness, trusting relationships, and a global support community. And with tools like GrantiX, this path becomes available for every social project. It was Angelica. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope now you understand how to transfer your project to Web3 and why you need it at all. Write in the comments which step of the transition to Web3 seems the most difficult to you. Let's discuss it together. And if you are just starting out, watch other videos on our channel. There, you will find even more useful information.